1 minus 2, which gives us negative 1. 1 minus 2 times negative 1. Okay, 1 minus 2 here is also negative 1 times negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 1, which equals to 1. But this is not the correct answer, because according to the order of operation PEMDAS, first we have to do parenthesis, then exponent, multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority, work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. Okay, in this expression there is one parenthesis, one multiplication here, and one subtraction. First we have to do this parenthesis, and next this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If we subtract first before this parenthesis or this multiplication, it is wrong. Therefore, according to PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis, 1 minus 2, which gives us negative 1. 1 minus 2 times negative 1. So here is also there is subtraction and multiplication. Okay, therefore multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. Therefore we need to multiply this number before the subtraction. 2 times negative 1, which is negative 2. Negative 2. Okay, 1 minus then negative 2. Here is also 1 minus negative 2. Negative times negative, which gives us what? Positive. Therefore 1 minus, in parenthesis, minus 2 means what? Which is 1 plus 2, because minus times minus, which gives us positive. Therefore 1 plus 2, which equals to 3. This is the correct answer of this problem. Therefore the correct answer is 3.